birth, and emerge from unconsciousness into a state named life. Life, colorful activities of an abstract existence occurring every day. Day, a duration of sunlight or brightness intercepted by night. Night, a darkness indicating a complete rotation of Earth. Earth, home of all living things until death. Death, a resumption of unconsciousness. Again, as we wake to the noises of life and its never-ending chaos, we embrace today without choice. This is life, a fated existence beyond our control, journeyed with speculations and vain pursuance of ideals, religions, politics, and wealth, harnessed by trained emotions of prejudice and endless isms, while being staggered by love. And so, Earth's natural murmurs are drowned out by our activities. Gradually, we grew deaf to its tune and blind to its revolving order as crucial information subsides. Still, there is hope. Earth is big, and we occupy only a small part of it. Explore outside the confines of man-made societies, trek to the mountains, and inhale. Swim in rivers, lakes, and seas. Exhale. Discover other creatures in their natural habitat. Say nothing, and you will hear the natural melodies of Earth. Apply patience, and you will hear the message.